Alright guys, good day. We are back on our part 2 here at Charms Greenery. And then, a good news for everybody, nga nagalagaw kanto sa Anihalan, Antique. And here, meron sila ding a pick and pay, nga fresh nga lettuce, no, kaday Sir Victor. And this is just for 3 for 100. You could get sa ilang greenhouse, sang ilang lettuce, and you could pay after that. But this time, Sir Victor, we're gonna give us a tour sa iya diring a greenhouse located at Tinaan Sur, Leon, Iloilo. So Sir Victor, kasulod kita.
Let's go.
So Sir Victor, ang diri ang imo nga pag-set up sa imo nga greenhouse.
Yes.
So before you started sang gamay lang gid anay
Yes.
nga greenhouse, which is amo ning sa may idalom.
Mm-mm.
And then for sure dako ang demand sang imo nga lettuce.
Yes, correct.
So that's the reason why nga nag-set up ikaw sa medyo dako-dako.
Yes,
diba?
nag-expand ako.
So ang inyo Sir Victor, ang first mga greenhouse, ano nang ni siya una kadako?
This is a 6 by 21 meter.
Ang una.
Yes.
Ang gamay.
And currently right now, ginaubos namon ang sa sulod kay we will undergo maintenance. So we focus on the new extension. We will be in service this one maybe around June. But
So i-maintain ni siya.
we have continuous with the new
So kung ini naman sir,
extension.
which is the new one. So how big is this?
This is 24 by I think 31 meter. 24 by 31 meter.
Wow. So let's talk about, Sir Victor will be talking about sang lettuce, paano nila gina-grow, at some point ang pwede niya lang ma-share, and pakita ninyo how clean they do this,
Yes.
how how safe para
Yes.
sa inyo kag sa akon man. Kay I know iban sa aton siguro baka lettuce pwede kini kabalo kung di nagalin, at least here at Charms Greenery you would see kung paano nila ni ginaobra. So Sir Victor.
Yes, correct. As you can see, we have cocoa fiber underground sa dalom sa table. This prevent the grass to grow. But right now, we just newly start. So in the future, this will all be covered. To
So di
prevent
na
the
gali
grass.
design niya Sir Victor, may purpose sa gali.
Yes, there's a purpose of that one. At the same time, mas matipid kung amo ni gamiton. Kesa sa ang grass weeds prevention nga do tarpaulin siya, do trap.
Wow.
So here in Charms Greenery, the concept of a greenhouse is definitely to prevent only the insect that is included in the biosecurity.
Wow.
But to tell you the truth, greenhouse only for prevention. The management, the biosecurity management, it depends on the management. How do they implement this one? Kung paano nila ginaano bala. So we don't use chemical. We are 100% organic
Wow.
in terms of biosecurity. And then we do process our own coco peat. We do sterilization. Ipakita namon si mo karon to.
Yes.
In the meantime, arita di sa sulod.
So this one Sir Victor, pila na ni siya, ano na ni nga age ang ini nga kung mo ni siya kadako?
This one is sowing date is April 10. So if today is April 30,
Wow.
this is 20 age old.
Wow. Grabe.
20 days na siya.
So this is ano nga ni Sir klase nga lettuce?
This is Olmeti.
Oh, Olmeti. Wow. And then as you could see here, ang iniya sir,
This is
these are
Olmeti.
ready.
Yes, this Olmeti also. This is 30 days onwards.
So ready na ni siya for pwede ni siya, hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Okay.
Pero pag ang customer nagapamilit na,
Ate,
pwede na.
pwede na. Wow.
Di kayo wala na kami dako.
Oo. So, as you have mentioned, Sir Victor, what I could see here in your production is that, unlike others, as you have mentioned, you are not using styro cup.
Yes, correct.
So, what is this?
This is a net pot which we use We don't use the styro cup anymore because the styro cup, it's a garbage. And also health hazard sa amon nga mga laborer de mga tao namon.
Wow.
Because a styro cup, you need to put a hole
Yes.
using a heat stick.
Yes.
So, ang smoke yan na bala,
Yeah.
health hazard. So, we use the net pot
Mm.
to help also our laborer not exposed in the plastic.
Wow. So there you have it, grabe. They're not just doing business just for the sake of having income and all, pero pati sa ilang mga tinawo, they are already also
Correct.
concerned about that. So speaking about that, Sir Victor, again, let's go.
Yes.
May makadto kita to, ano tong hambal mo kadtoan natin dito sa likod. We could go there. But before that, here I could see it's a different color.
Yes.
Ano naman ni saya, Sir Victor, nga klase nga lettuce?
This is a sangari, I think. Yeah, this is red lettuce. So,
Wow,
as you
grabe.
can see, gagmay pa sila kay ang area nga ni, seedling area ni siya.
Okay. And this one is also different.
This is romaine.
Romaine.
Ang ginaobra ba lang nga nga Caesar salad.
Yes, romaine. Tapos, ano pa giding iban nga variety, sir?
We also have the Angelia, the butterhead at ato dito sa may
Sa
punta.
likod, no? So this one here, sir, this is your seedling area.
Yes, for now it's not yet maximized because we operate the greenhouse according to customer demand.
Okay.
If this is fully maximized, you can see the seedling area is full.
Also that part there,
Yes,
seedling
correct. With this kind of technique, you can have a continuous produce every week.
Wow. Oh, so this is where it gets exciting. Sir, Sir Victor, what is the purpose of this one?
This one, we elevate the lettuce. Number one is, the purpose is, this area, amo ni nga area, mabutang kami disang Charms Greenery. We will make an art out of different colors ng lettuce.
Wow.
So may mo kami da sang Charms Greenery.
Wow.
So if somebody visit the farm,
At least they could take a picture and know.
daw mo na bala.
Wow.
Pero the theory between this one saka sa table,
Yeah.
parehas lang. Parehas lang sila.
Okay.
Mm.
So there you have it, and all the setup is really wow. Abi ko gani kagina kung dito ka lang katindog, dumatsagay mo lapit lang siya, pero kung lakton mo gali dumedyo layo. So in case diri naman, Sir Victor, how many ang pwede mabutang nimo nga lettuce for
In
this one?
one line channel, this is 170 pieces.
Wow.
So
Kung i-times sa 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, di na ako kabalo sang math, pero sobra-sobra na gay kadamo. Wow.
our capacity is around total 23,000
Wow.
cups.
Grabe, no? So amazing. Look at that. So, ini naman, Sir Victor, no? Speaking about the greenhouse, I know you said biosecurity and all of that. So, sa iba naman siguro, maybe someone who's gonna be watching this, base may mga duta man sila sa uma and all, ano ma-advise mo sa ila if they want to set up a greenhouse?
I think kung may knowledge about sa
Tama.
pagtanom,
Tama.
go ahead. But before putting up like this,
Yes.
magtuon nanay.
Tama.
Tuon gid mayo anay.
Yes. Sakto na.
Kay kung ma-trial and error ka, mapagasto ka.
Wow.
Mm.
So you're saying you started with that small one and then you said, oh, it's successful. Why don't we
Yes.
make a little bit more
Yes.
of what they have? Last question, Sir Victor. What is the big dream for Charms Greenery?
As I mentioned before, my dream is to be the one of the biggest salad ingredient vegetable producing here
Yes.
in our city Iloilo
Yeah.
and some province to complete the salad
Yes.
recipe.
Wow.
The bell pepper, the sweet tomato,
Wow.
potato,
Yeah.
cherry tomato, cucumber,
Yes.
and other kind of
Yes.
leafy herbs, pwede man.
Yes. So there you have it. Sir Victor, last na lang gid, invite our viewers to come and visit your page and order sa inyong mga grow nga mga lettuce.
Good day everyone. Welcome to Charms Greenery.
Yes.
Here in Charms Greenery, we specialize sa lettuce.
Yes.
So anybody, any restaurant, local market,
Yes.
bulantidor,
Yes.
gusto niya magbaligya.
Yeah.
Ang among production for now is focus on lettuce, different kind of lettuce,
Yes.
whether pang salad, pang burger,
Yes.
pang sandwich, pang
Yes.
samgyeopsal, pang
Yes.
hotels,
Yes.
or pang resto. We all have that kind of lettuce here.
Yes.
So visit our page and inquire inside.
Yes. So there you have it. If you're a business owner, we feature next, comment down below. And again, comment na kamo dira, message na kamo sa Charms Greenery with all of the mention ni Sir Victor, no? And see you on our next vlog. I know there's gonna be more pag open ni Sir sa mga salad, yun na nga mga iban nga mga ingredients, we will have it. And tilawin nyo na kag pamatudi. And ako mismo attest ko da nga very good, very clean, very safe ang ila diri nga lettuce. God bless everybody. See you on our next vlog. Bye. Yes, sir.